Building better money habits while paying off credit card debt is like cooking a good meal. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need a culinary degree. You need the right ingredients, the right order, and the patience to let it work. My name is May, and I'm partnering with Freedom Debt Relief to share the recipe on how to get out of credit card debt. All it takes is 5 money habits, all while making rigatoni with tomato sauce. Let's start. First step, automate your minimum payments each month. Every good cook preps before they start. Chop your onions, measure your spices, set everything up before the heat goes on. Automating your minimum payments on every card is your mise en place. It's not the exciting part, but if you skip it, late fees, credit score damage, penalty rates, your whole recipe burns before it starts. Set it up once so your foundation is solid. Second step, tackling your highest interest debt first. You wouldn't put everything on the stove at once on high heat. You'd focus your heat where it matters most. Same with debt. Take any extra money and put it all on the card costing you the most, the 24%, the 30% APR card. That's the burner you turn up first. When it's paid off, roll that payment to the next highest interest debt. The momentum builds like a sauce that's finally starting to thicken. Third step, tracking your expenses monthly. Any good cook tastes the dish while it's cooking. You don't wait until it's on the plate to find out it needs salt. Auditing your spend is tasting as you go. You look at where your money actually went. Most people find $100 to $300 in subscriptions, delivery fees, and forgotten charges. That's not a mistake. That's a flavor you didn't choose. Cut it and redirect it to your debt. Fourth step, avoiding lifestyle inflation. Here's a mistake I've watched people I love make over and over. They get a raise, a promotion, a bonus, and the spending rises right along with it. It's like oversalting your pasta. A little salt in the water, essential. But keep adding more just because you can, and you've ruined the whole pot. When your income goes up, keep your lifestyle flat for at least 6 months. Redirect the difference to your debt and then to your investments. Fifth step, buying assets. A good pasta sauce cannot be rushed. You put in the tomatoes, the garlic, the olive oil, and then you walk away and let the heat do the work. Investing is exactly that. Even while you're paying off debt, start putting something like $25 a month into an index fund or your 401k. Something that compounds quietly in the background while you live your life. Not by hustling every hour, but by starting the sauce early and letting it go low and slow. 5 steps. That's all it takes to become credit card debt-free. If you need additional support with credit card debt, check out freedomdebtrelief.com. They've resolved over $22 billion in debt for their members. Save this video like you'd save a recipe you know you're going to come back to. What do you want me to make next?